YouTube, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is having a great day. Got a little bit of sunshine. Yes, needed this. We're going to be installing just one part today, but we're going to be doing a 3-part series, so 1, 2, 3. So over the next Christmas time, you guys are going to see all the little mods that I do to the front end of my Toyota Celica GTS to make it look so much more aggressive on the front end than what it already looks like. So currently, the Tsunami Celica, the first video that we're going to be doing today is we're going to be smoking out the fog lights. The fog lights are currently functional. They do work. I did not get a LED. I don't really run them, but I want them to be kind of disappeared. Because if I just pull them out, there's a gap there because of the way the Tsunami bumper looks. But if you smoke them, it looks really, really good, and you can't even tell they're there anymore. So I'm going to show you guys how to smoke them, how to make them look dark and kind of invisible. You can do this too. A lot of you guys are going to have a Toyota Celica that doesn't have the Tsunami, but you might have the TRD fog lights or the fog light covers. You can do it with them. I'd recommend doing the same thing. And then if you just have the OEM fog light option, they're like smaller ones that sit like right here on the bumper in the middle. I recommend smoking those too. It makes the car look really, really aggressive. Way, way more aggressive. A lot more modern. White fog lights are not in right now, or white headlights or anything. Black everything, black housing and everything is really popular right now. So let's do that. Then we'll do the MITSUBISHI.com. We'll do some JDM super side markers from MITSUBISHI.com. Special Celica GTS ones. And then followed by that, we'll end up doing a new front lip over the next 3 videos. And I'm really, really excited. So first things off, let's go ahead and remove. I have the car just in the driveway, but this is how, even with the lowering spring, with the driveway being slanted, it allows me to get underneath there. I don't really need jack stand. Unfortunately, I just noticed this one has a crack. I can't believe that. I did not notice that. I think something hit it right here, and I think recently, and broke that one. So I'll still cover it. I might order a new one, but those might actually go away due to the turbo kit when we install the turbo kit. But right now I want to make this look way more aesthetic. So let's go ahead and remove the fog lights. Alright, I decided to put the Tsunami on jack stands just to get a better look at it. Boy, this is a very cool car. Really rare, very aesthetic. Great condition because the bumper just got repainted. Okay, so what you're going to want to do, of course, is you're going to start wanting to undo the plastics underneath here. So let's start doing that. Of course, I'm missing that one. All of these, every Celica I've ever really owned, when someone changes the oil, they throw away the lower plastic. They always do that. Ugh, kind of annoying. Okay, that being said, let's go ahead and remove these plastics so we can get our hand behind here to remove the fog light. So instead of just removing the fog light, I decided to pull the whole front bumper off, and we are going to build the front bumper. So that's what we're going to do in this 3-part series. So I did remove everything off of here. 10 millimeters all along, 4 10 millimeters up top. Just yank on each side and it'll come out. Undo the side markers, undo the fog lights, and you should be good to go. These come with a crash bar protectant. You know, I usually throw those away because they're so unaesthetic. I actually painted one black in the past. I'll probably end up just pulling that off. Maybe I'll leave it. It's just a protector, protects the frame, just an extra little styrofoam cushion. So now that we have the front bumper off, let's go ahead and bring it inside. And actually, let's just go ahead and start removing the fog lights off the backside. Let's do that. So on the backside of the bumper for the Tsunami, you'll see that there's these Phillips heads. This is what holds the plastic in. This right here is what holds the headlight in. So see that right there? You see where my Phillips head is, or my flat head is? That's why you can't, if you're trying to just pull it off, it won't come off. I mean, if you're really good, you can get a screwdriver underneath the car like that to move that plastic thing. Once you get that done, the headlight will just pop out. See, already the bumper looks better. It doesn't pull your eye towards that. That'd be cool to have like a little intake in there. Draw a little intake in there. That'd be, look, hashtag race car. So we're gonna go ahead and do these, like the video said, we're gonna do these, smoke them. Unfortunately, I'm so sad that one broke. You can see where the rock hit, but whatever. So let's go ahead into the garage. Okay, now that we have the fog lights in here, we're gonna, and then a nice little painting surface, we're gonna use a dirty rag, not one of my nice rags. A dirty rag, put some paint, nail polish remover, and get a nice surface and clean all the junk off of here. So just like that. we'll get a nice surface, wipe the front off, and then you can even clean the back off like I'm going to. I'm just a clean, neat freak. Once I have these all clean, we will start hitting them with the nightshade right here. VHT nightshade. This stuff's good. It works really good. One can I've had for like 2 years. I don't think it ever expires, but I've used it on a lot of stuff. You can use it on tail lights, fog lights, headlights, whatever you want. It works really well. Okay, so once you got them ready to go, you're gonna shake up the paint. Do it for like 1 minute and try to get the paint, you know, make sure it's like at room temperature, which is 70 degrees. And then once you do that, it should, let's do a test spray. Yeah, so we're good. So then you're just gonna do a couple, I'm gonna get them really dark. So I'm gonna get them almost where you can't see. You can do it like, if you just did one coat like that, it doesn't, it's like, you know, it's transparent still like that. So we'll let this one coat stick for a little bit, and then we're gonna probably do 10 coats. So that was the first one, and we're just gonna keep on doing it. 5 minutes between coats. So do 5, so I just hit it, that was my first. It'll stick. Once it sticks, then you can do another one, then you can do another one. And then as you start to get the darkness, you'll be able to add more coats more frequently. So that's just the first one of about 10 for me. So I'm trying to make up some spread out content for you guys so it's more consistent, so you guys get to see more of the Celica. Because I go like, no videos, truck, and then I do like the Tundra, and then I do like an MR2. And you guys mainly want to see some Celica stuff. I love the MR2, I love my truck, but you guys like the Celica. So while this one's drying, I'm gonna make a new video right now, and it's gonna be switching over how to remove the air injection system on a Toyota Celica 2ZZ GTS. So I hate this thing, it's annoying. That's why I have a check engine light on my car, so I'm gonna show you guys how to remove it. So that'll be a new video. It'll probably be after all of this. It'll be like just a normal upload. If you wanna look at that, that's gonna be a cool video because there's no other videos that show you guys how to do that. So while these are drying, I'm gonna do that. And then also while these are drying, I'm gonna make the other videos for the side markers and the front lip, and then we'll have one nice final with the front lip. It'll be amazing. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so we've hit them with a ton of coats. They look really, really good. 10 coats to be total. So I hit 10. They actually look really, really amazing. Now, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna show you guys the install of these here in a minute after they dry. But I'm gonna switch over to the next video, which you guys will see next, which is me installing my side markers from MITSUBISHI.com. Amazing with LEDs. So we'll jump over to that, and then I'll come right back to this video for you guys. So you'll see as the videos get uploaded, it all makes sense. But let's go over to that right now. Okay, so here are the smoked fog lights. They look really good. 10 coats. You know, if you want to get new ones, it might be a good idea. Reason why is they're kind of pitted. They look good on here, but they are worn. And then this one did have that break in it, but it's actually really, really hard to see unless you're actually looking for it. So the actual smoking really did help that. So to put these back in, all you do is literally just come over here and push that right there. Do you see how that is? And just slide it in there, and it'll pop itself back in. And once you have that wiggled in, you can put the fixture on the back. Already looks amazing. So just with a little bit of elbow grease, you push it and it'll pop in there. Look at that. Look at that. So good. Okay, let's go ahead and do the driver's side. Same thing right here. See this little clip right here? Align it and it'll fit in. It fits in like a glove. And it'll literally pop in when it's happy. And then just like that, right there. Perfectly. Looks amazing. We'll go ahead and put the light switch back on now. So you can actually see with the light on there, they are still on. I won't run them just for aesthetic reasons. It makes the car look so much better. If I were to get these again or do fog lights again on the Tsunami, see they are on. If I was gonna do fog lights again on the Tsunami, because I'm gonna leave them on here, I would do some aftermarkets with a circle halo down there. I think that would look good, but watch when I turn them off. Just the car looks insanely more aggressive. So just look at this. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. That is so aesthetic. So that's how you do the fog lights. Looks really, really good. 10 coats. I definitely recommend doing a lot of that. You could even do the, if you ever wanted to do, if you had old OEM headlights that were kind of worn, you could do the headlights. That'd make the car look more aggressive too. I think that the smoking is very, very smoked out headlights or whatever. That's very aesthetic. But I also do like just clear lens covers with black housings. That's the most aesthetic. That's the most Lamborghini-esque. But I do recommend you doing this to your Toyota Celica because smoke fog lights, that is it makes it look like a Porsche or something, just so much better. Yeah, like I said, I hope you guys really like this build. I mean, the front end of this is looking amazing. So the JDM side markers from MITSUBISHI.com and the fog lights, wow. Huge, huge, huge difference. And then that black mid lip, oh my gosh. Front bumper looks so good. Make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com, and then the next video I'm going to be doing is the lip. Right now, I'm going to put it on right now. It'll be the next video for you guys. It'll make a huge difference. Wait and see. It's going to look awesome. Like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. See you guys on the next video.